Hey guys, imagine browsing the internet at lightning speed, streaming without buffering, and gaming without lag, all while keeping your connection super secure. Sounds too good to be true? Not anymore. In this video, I'm revealing the ultimate hack to create unlimited UDP servers for fast and secure internet using a simple Telegram bot. Stay tuned because by the end of this video, you'll know how to set up two types of powerful servers, UDP custom and UDP request servers, all from scratch using free tools. Let's get started, and trust me, you don't want to miss this one. First things first, you'll need Telegram installed. If you're already using Telegram, you're ahead of the game, but if not, download it from the Play Store, App Store, or access it through your browser. Don't forget to check out the description below, where I've dropped the magic bot link we'll be using today. Oh, and for my viewers in countries where Telegram is blocked, no worries, I've got a dedicated video on bypassing restrictions. Watch it, set up your proxy, and come back here to get started. Once you've clicked the link in the description, you'll land on the bot's homepage. Hit Start, or if you've used the bot before, type Start. Boom. The bot menu pops up showing options like UDP Custom and UDP Request servers. Choose UDP Custom if you're ready to create a custom server tailored to your needs. The bot will ask for a username and password. This takes just seconds. Enter your details, and in under 10 seconds, your private server will be generated. Now that you have your server details, username, password, IP address, and port, it's time to put them to use. Open the Play Store, search for HTTP Custom VPN, and install it. Once installed, launch the app and check the UDP Custom box on the home screen. Paste the server details you got from the bot into the app, save the settings, and tap Connect. Just like that, you're online with a super fast VPN connection. Wait, did you feel that speed boost already? Don't blink, we're not done yet. Alright, let's move on to the UDP request server, perfect for apps like SOCKS IP Tunnel. Go back to the Telegram bot and select the UDP request server option. Enter your username and password, and the bot will generate another set of server details in seconds. Copy those details, you'll need them shortly. Now, head to the Play Store and grab the SOCKS IP Tunnel app. Once installed, launch the app and tap the gear icon to access the settings. Choose UDP Request from the Tunnel type options. Tap Configure, and paste the server details from the bot, IP address, username, password, and port. Save the settings, return to the home screen, and tap Start. And just like that, you're now connected to another lightning-fast server. Let me break it down. 1. Unlimited access. Create as many servers as you want, no limits. 2. Blazing speed. Say goodbye to buffering, lag, and slow download. 3. Unparalleled security. Protect your data and browse anonymously. This setup is perfect for gamers, streamers, and anyone who values speed and privacy online. Want to take this to the next level? Combine these servers with apps like HTTP Injector or Netmod VPN for even more powerful results. Plus, share this setup with your friends to help them unlock faster, safer internet. If you found this video valuable, smash that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more epic hacks like this. Got questions or suggestions? Drop them in the comments. I read every single one. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for the bot, recommended VPN apps, and my other tutorials. Until next time, happy browsing.